I ordered the washing machine and guess what? No water tap, no drain outlet either. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any washing machine into a fully portable setup. Even if a builder forgot about it, let's get this fixed. In my new house, a builder didn't plan anything for a washing machine. No water inlet, no dedicated space for the washing machine. If you are stuck like me, this is the video for you. Now I'm thinking to place my washing machine in this area and extending the inlet and outlet drain hose to the washing room. I can remove and I can attach whenever I want. By the inbuilt of the washing machine, the inlet pipe and outlet drain hose length is not enough to reach the water tap and the drain. I need to extend that first. I bought the inlet pipe through Blinkit for 400 rupees and the package comes with a small adapter. For outlet drain hose, I went to the local shop and I bought a 2-meter drain hose pipe for 140 rupees. You can see the water tap is plastic PVC. If I install the metal one with a screw, the tap will crack. For that, I'm using rubber adapter that comes along with the Blinkit package. Once I received the product, inspect the product and make sure there were no damage and no missing items. The Amazon delivery executive, he carried that washing machine to my preferred place and he unboxed the product and he confirmed the item and making sure that there is no damage and correct item is received. Once the product is delivered, the brand service technicians called me and he talked to me and he booked the appointment. The technician is arrived at my location and he checked everything and he installed the bottom place. There is a small bottom place comes with the package and he installed that one and he activated the warranty for me. And next I started my process to creating that one into portable. Before doing that one, I explained to him what I'm going to do. And he advised me the two things. First one, the tap is not suitable for that metal one. Go with the rubber water tap adapter to avoid that breaking the plastic PVC water tap. And the second one, I will explain that in the bonus tip. Don't miss it. Watch the video till end and get to know the installing process. Here is what I need: a faucet adapter and a long inlet hose pipe and extended drain hose pipe, a few hose clamps to tighten that one, and that's it. Simple, cheap and super effective. Connecting the inlet water pipe. First I'm going to connect the faucet adapter to the tap that comes with the adapter. Make sure it fits well to the tap and tighten it up with the hose clamps. If you don't use the hose clamp, sometimes it will leak the water. Now connect the inlet pipes into the washing machine in a water slot and tighten it up. Make sure the washer is not missed out for all the adapters and pipes. And the water is ready for washing. Set up the drain hose. Now I am extending the drain hose pipe and direct it into the washroom or any nearest sink. Attach both and seal. In that way, the water will not get leaked. Now I am testing the water leakages, making sure that when there is no leakage from the pipes or hose pipes or anything. For the good thing is there is no water leaking, and now the washing machine is ready to use. Now the final check, I am connecting to the power and turn on it and open the water flow. Now I'm going for a quick cycle and adding some cloths and detergent powder and liquid. After some time filling that water, the washing machine is started rotating. The washing machine is working fine, no water leakage and no issues with the washing machine. And I am done. Easy, no plumber needed, no walls broken, all DIY. In these bonus tips, you can make it even better. Use the tape to seal the pipes to stop any leakages. If you have any attached pipes, use the tape and seal it very well. Then that's why there is no water leaking and flooding into your ground. And the second tip is, comes from the service technician. Add washing machine stand. Because my ground is little bit lower, that's why I need to add one stand, any of the stand, to level up that height, and that's why water will flow out easily, or else the water will store in the bottom. And final bonus tip, add any movable stand, and that's why you can use washing machine anywhere you want it as a portable machine. If this video saves you from the calling the plumber or breaking the walls, smash that like button, share, and turn on the notification. You will get all new videos updates. Subscribe for more genius tricks and comment below if you have any questions. I will answer all comments. See you in the next video.